before he rolled me back through the corridors, I made him promise. I said, whatever you do, don't let me die. I have children, and I have to live for my kids. And he promised me that he wouldn't. And he said, I won't. And then I coded.
It's difficult to think about. So often in my professional life, there's a call or a set of circumstances that are beyond the norm.
Dr. Parks was a very unique situation in the sense like she had just delivered a healthy baby boy. She was in peak form. She was walking around, going around. And to my knowledge, and we have looked at the world literature, she's the only person who has had a combination of two, not one, but two lethal problems. One was a blood clot in her lung, and the other one was SCAD.
I had my son, Reese, and it was about 10 days after I had him. I was just feeling cooped up in the house, just, stuffy. So I called a friend and I asked her if she would come out and take me to go get a Diet Coke. So in all honesty, I was just slipping away for a minute. Suddenly I just started to feel bad. It's really an indescribable feeling. I could have easily have gone home though and gone back to bed, and really that was my intent. So I just very slowly walked over to my friend, very calmly still. I just said to her, listen, I want you to listen to me. I'm sick. And I said, I need you to call 911. And I can just remember her hands trembling and shaking at that point. I really should have probably died on the spot then.
The other cardiologist who had seen her and had done her heart cath, I went over to take a look at the cath films, the angiograms. And if I were a fainter, I would have fainted.
He said, I've never seen anything like this. Her arteries were just, peeling like a banana. She has to go and have immediate open heart surgery.
We waited, we watched, we hoped, we prayed. And over the next several days, we saw the evolution of a miracle.
I told many people, and a lot of people have told her the same thing, that she was not expected to be making it. So she's here.
In the county, we have school psychologists. And they go around to all the schools when there's a death, when there's a student death, when there's a death of a teacher. They go around to all the schools, all of the psychologists, and they support the school. And so, the picture that I ran over and over and over again in my mind was that happening, here in this school. And I thought, there is no way that I can allow them to come and tell 800 kids that I was not coming back, and that they would no longer see me in the hallways, and that I would not be there to give them the hug and be there to give them the high five. And there was just no way that that was going to happen. So I fought for my natural children, but I also fought for these kids, because I'm a strong believer that we're here for a reason, and if we are willing participants, that we can finish our course. And so that's kind of where I am. I'm just fortunate to still be here and to be a part of this community as well.